Hey, what's up? It's Gene Clark on behalf of DDWK Travel bringing you another Tip Tuesday travel tip of the day. And today we are talking about first aid kits. No, this isn't your standard first aid kit. We're going to tell you exactly what you should bring when you go on these vacations because sometimes you might not include items that you really need. So how do we start? Well, we start with our basic first aid kit. Now, I've got this zipped up, but I'm going to show you everything that we would keep inside. Obviously, of course, standard Band-Aids. Yes, can't go anywhere without them. Neosporin, because you just never know what you need. Alcohol wipes, clean those wounds, and of course, scissors, because who knows? You just never know. But let's think outside the box. How about a thermometer? I bet before COVID, you never really thought about bringing something like this, but you never know when somebody's going to get sick or, I don't know, have the flu when you're on vacation. Crazier things have happened. Allergy medications. Think about when you're traveling to a different part of the country, not just Flower and Garden Festival down at Epcot. It could be anywhere. They've got different plants. They've got different kinds of pollen that's coming around that your body's just not used to. And hey, you don't want your allergies acting up when you're on vacation. And of course, yes, all of this, not just kids versions, not just adult versions. Make sure you've got something for everyone in the family, and that is the same with Pepto, some kind of antacid, something to help settle your stomach in case you're having any issues there. Same with any kind of pain relievers, whether they're pills, they're liquid, whatever. Adults, children, make sure everybody's covered. You don't want to have anybody who is not comfortable on vacation. You've got hydrocortisone because you never know if you're going to have any kind of itch come up, and you just want to make sure you are feeling good. And then Benadryl in case that itch is an allergic reaction and you need to calm things down. Now, of course, all of these things would be available most places where you are vacationing, and in your hotel or resort, they would probably have them available, but they're going to be marked up 5 times what they would be if you go to your local grocery store or pharmacy. But these are just some of the items that we make sure to carry with us. So when you're thinking, oh, let me get my travel first aid kit, think a little broader. Make sure you get all those and make sure you are covered. Any personal medications, make sure you're bringing those as well. That's it for me. And as always, you're welcome.